look at your eyes, I'm like, I want this makeup too. No.
You see, I'm so simple. When you see me.
You don't do your makeup like this, love.
Really?
I've never seen your eyeshadow all over your eyes. Just telling them what's about to happen.
Yeah, what's
I'm gonna
about?
do your makeup
Yeah.
in a very pinky style.
Yeah, and then we will talk in Romania or English.
Both.
Both, okay.
Both. Yeah,
this
yeah.
is my bare face.
Yeah, bare face, and I'm gonna make it very pink.
Mm.
Pink.
What is your style usually? Is bling bling?
Bling bling, lots of glitter, yeah.
Is it? Can I turn into your face after that?
Maybe. Let's see twins afterwards. We'll be twins. Of a tempe, Winky. Oh. Sunny, no mate. Winky and Sunny. Okay. Do you want foundation? BB cushion.
Yes, of
Okay.
course. Just like
Everything.
just
I
treat
do.
like it's your face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Primer spremata, primer.
Is it the same as your sister's one? I mean the same routine as your sister's one.
No, really, because we don't have the same makeup products, but it will be similar.
So how's your sister feel like?
She hated it so much.
Can you say in front of the camera? I mean, can your audience know about that?
Yeah. Because she said it. She just said it. She's like, I really hate it. I look like a clown. Quando quiser me ter com o marido só escreve no plat maquiagem meu, cara da com clown, que nem se poder vestir em chocolate. So you might feel the same. I think you're too shy to say.
So your sister know that is your style before doing that, right?
Yeah, but she also did my makeup her style, and I also hated it. So it's normal. It's normal we do. So it's normal.
Actually, I think you two have a quite a different style because
Exactly.
your sister is more like cool or she like about black color.
Exactly.
And then you are more fancy or pastel.
Yeah.
Yeah, more girly.
Yeah.
Like more princess style.
Yeah. Akush, BB cushion.
I mean, your camera looks so good because I usually have the color tune editing afterward, and then it was a disaster for me. I need to study all of their theory, like what is the color match with which color, and then I need to tune about there's so many technical terms for me, like HDR or ISO, and then shadowing, whatever, maximum lighting or whatever like this. And then I just feel like your camera have all of these.
Exactly.
Already you don't need to do
I
the
don't need to
editing.
do
You just
anything.
like
Yeah.
you just already issue it out.
Yeah. Deci una machiajul ochilor. O paleta asta roz cu roz și cu mai mult roz. Very pinky.
What is that? What is this color?
Pink with pink and
Oh,
pink.
like all the color tune of pink and
Yeah,
purple.
pink
It feels
and
like more purple.
Maybe close your eyes.
Wait, this is the first time I have the pink like eyeshadow because I usually don't use eyeshadow. I need to tell that because I have a dark circle, and then it's very difficult for me to cover the dark circle. That's why I usually like sometimes if I have a base or foundation and then I cover it up, it feels like I have a little bit brown eyeshadow because of the dark circle with the foundation, and then I just like too lazy to do anything.
You can try. Look up.
She's
Okay, it looks nice.
you know, in the Korean girl that they have like something they need to do under the eye.
Yeah, I would do that too.
What is that for?
Aegyosan.
Oh, and then
The eye fat.
it's like white or bling bling.
Yeah, I have that. Very white. Don't look. Look. You have to look at the end. Because the shot will be greater. We do it this way.
Okay. So this is for Halloween or what? For what purpose?
No, Halloween, you can be sunny for the evening.
Oh, by the way, you want to go to the Halloween party with me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. I can you in.
Okay.
Need to dress up, but I'm not sure what should I dress right now.
I have a stupid costume. I can Taobao another costume.
What's your costume? Is it like a sexy witch or what?
No, that was Mona Lisa. The painting.
Oh,
I have that.
it's not even. It's not horrible.
It's not horrible, but it's funny. Yeah, and Mona Lisa, the painting. That was last year. Or Chinese zombie.
Oh, zombie. Oh, Chinese zombie is good. I mean, you have mentioned about the painting. I just remember your swimsuit.
Oh,
Yeah, I just was thinking if you wear like this to the Halloween party,
of course not.
it will be very good. But your twin suit is really good. You can use inside out.
Oh yeah.
By the way, why do you change your makeup style?
I have new makeup, so I just want to experience.
Is it because
Experiment to see what looks best. Yeah.
so you found this style is the best?
Do you know? Okay. Need to fix it a little bit makeup.
Do you think you can be a makeup artist?
Definitely. Definitely.
So have you tried any makeup on Jason?
Jason, yeah, I can do his makeup.
Oh, is it for a boy or for a girl? You just use his face, or you really want to?
So I'm trying to do boy makeup, but I don't really know how to do boy makeup, so it kind of looks girly. That's my problem.
Is it like you want to turn her as a K-pop?
Just a little bit, just to emphasize his eyes. I don't want to do much, but even for me, like sometimes I won't do my makeup perfectly. It's okay. Okay. Now I'll use some brown. Your favorite, okay?
I want to try something new.
Look up. Yeah, it's definitely new. Look up. I've never seen it like this, so it's definitely new.
So you will have all the bling bling in my face.
Bling bling.
And then, do you still think I can go out like this tonight?
It doesn't look like you. I can say that.
Okay, that's good. So I can be you, and then you will be me.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, what does that mean?
You switch personalities. So close your eyes now.
But mine is very simple. I think it's too simple.
And then I'll add a little bit of lip tint and glitter.
Yeah, but it needs to be added by me.
Okay. Wait, this looks super. Can you open your eyes? I need to follow. Oh, yeah.
You need to follow when I open my eyes, but I just close it in the beginning. That's
Yeah. Because sometimes you can do eyeliner by closing your eyes. I feel like it's better to follow your eye shape.
Do you think it's easy to have the makeup with you for me?
Yeah, it's not difficult. I mean, putting makeup on is easy. Making it look good. Oh, well.
So your purpose is just putting the makeup on me?
I'm trying my best out.
Okay. If you say so, I will do the same. I will try my best to. But I cannot promise, huh?
I can't promise you that I'm doing your makeup the way I'm doing mine.
I hope Jason won't be shocked about it. But when he saw you tonight.
What? Be shocked?
Yeah.
No. Open your eyes?
Well, I cannot open my eyes. Why? Oh, my eyelash. Wash away.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's time to add the
Sounds terrible. Is it the same makeup style as before? Like 10 years ago?
No.
Oh, how long have you been?
Not even half a year ago. It kind of changes.
This is called Korean style, right?
I think Korean style is a bit more natural. It tends to be more like Chinese style.
Chinese style.
Like, but the like Douyin style. That's a more makeup, more girly, more glitter.
Do you think like there's like?
Look up, look up.
Do you think like there's like, for example, it's easy to make up for others or different, or depends on their facial features?
I don't really do people's makeup. I think you and my sisters, you're the only ones.
How about your mom or your grandmom?
Mom, maybe I have to. If I have to do her makeup, then I would do her makeup, but it's quite rare.
Usually, how long do you take to get the full makeup?
Full makeup? On myself? It depends on what I'm doing. If it's something like... Here, you have to turn it like this. If it's daily makeup, then maybe 20 minutes. If it's something new, it can be like an hour or more.
Will it be different for your work makeup?
Yeah, work makeup is super easy.
You don't need to
super
do
simple.
The bling bling on your eyes.
Yeah. I'll just do it a little bit, just a little bit.
So what is your most concern about your makeup? Like which part you want to focus on?
Eyes. I think I like eye makeup the most. And lips too. Actually, everything.
Yeah. But usually people say if there is a good makeup, there's only one focus on the face. Not really. You don't think it's correct?
I mean, makeup is about having fun, right? So just do
Really?
it however you want it.
It's about making fun?
No, making fun, having fun. Having fun. Yeah. Just having fun. So I don't close your eyes because I'm applying eyeliner. Not too many rules. If you have so many rules even in your makeup routine, then
Oh, I don't even know what is eye primer. Can you introduce a bit? Because I really use very simple.
oh, it's just so your eye makeup lasts longer. That's it. Nothing fancy.
It's like a base for the eyes.
Yeah.
Oh, I really don't know. I mean, I will always miss out so many steps for a full makeup.
I mean, if it works for you, then that's good.
Yeah, just have fun.
And then sit down. What? Moving carefully. No, when I look at your eyes, I'm like, I want this makeup too. No, I want it now.
Really?
Yeah, it's so pretty. I want my glittery makeup, but it's okay. Today we do something different. Different for you, different for me. It's
You're like selling your makeup skills.
Yeah, no, just my makeup.
What do you guys think?
Very pretty, princess.
Yeah,
glittery princess.
I really like this makeup.
Okay.
It's a new style for me.
Yeah, very new.
If you guys want me to have this makeup forever, just comment below.
Good.
Yeah. Yes. And then in the following part, I will do your makeup.
Yeah. To your style. No glitter, no pinky pink.
Yeah, I can add some pinky or add some glitter.
Okay, good.
Into
but
the
at last, so first it should be your true makeup. But you wear a bit of glitter, you can add glitter, okay? Okay.
That's the main point. Okay.
Sure. Close your eyes. Very cute like this. Very young.
Okay, it's my turn. Ayo, I feel so nervous. It's my turn.
It's okay. I won't complain. I'll just add glitter and pink.
You can't complain. This is the foundation.
Okay. Is it 3 shades darker? Oh no, it looks light. Should look light.
Yeah, you have a fair skin. That's very good. I see people usually like they like, oh, this is a body brand. Bobby brand. Bobby brand. I don't do that.
Okay.
I don't.
Okay, not like makeup guru. Okay.
If you feel pain, you just tell me that.
You're barely touching me.
This one have the vitamin E and some of the nutrition inside. Good for skin.
Good.
Oh yeah, you look so perfect.
Alright now, you have tears in your eyes. Cannot believe she's so beautiful, huh? I am kidding, okay? I'm not this cocky.
Oh, so perfect. Finished already.
You need to put it closer. No.
Usually, what do you use for eyebrow? Eyebrow?
Eyebrows. This one. What? This one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, different.
I didn't bring anything. Oh yeah, mine is very simple.
Oh man, you can always add more. No problem.
Well, that's good. This one, I just accidentally pour it on the ground, but I think it's okay lah. I usually use the hand, the finger.
Okay.
I think it's good.
No, orange. Oh.
A little bit brown.
Okay.
This one is very glittery.
Okay.
Let me see.
It's okay.
Well, so very good lah. Very good. 出啦。
OK OK。
冇啦。You need to see the version before adding your own product.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. I'll edit at the very end.
The mouth. Oh yeah, the mouth.
Wait a second. Let me turn this off because I don't have
I don't know this is good for you or not. Hey, never mind. You can
close or open?
Open.
Okay.
Oh, very good, American style.
Do I look like a clown?
You look like princess. It's okay.
Princess clown?
Whatever you like to call it.
You can, I'm not fragile. It's okay, you can be more rough.
It's the shape. What's the next step there? Oh yeah, this one.
Wow, really relaxing. I want to take a nap now.
Some golden color. Although I didn't use for myself, but this is especially for you.
Okay.
This is good. Wow, the most difficult part is the mouth. Whoa.
What do you do for your lipstick? Matte? I have things. Matte. This is matte.
You want to use mine or use yours?
Oh, if you have yours, you can use.
Still have one thing. This is for make it more long lasting. What's that called?
Powder. Setting powder.
Setting powder. Yeah. Another one is the lipstick.
Okay.
Oh, very wet. Because my lip is. I usually don't do much for my lips.
Just conceal them.
You want to have a look?
Finished?
Yes.
Let me see myself.
Yeah.
Oh, can you turn on my camera? There.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sa mabad, juga segata. Yung minyak kasi romana siya lumabon ako. Ang damo pinday.
You see, I'm so simple. When you see me.
You don't do your makeup like this, love.
Really?
I've never seen your eyeshadow all over your eyes.
Yeah, because I say especially for you. You remember? Especially at the golden color for you.
But here and here.
Yeah.
You give me dark circles, but it's okay.
Should I add this?
Oh, it's okay. No need to add.
You want to add it yourself? You want to wash it?
I will respectfully remove it.
Okay, good. So
but orange doesn't suit me. This is it.
Orange
Orange just doesn't suit